Since I was a little child, I always thought there must be something else. And through all the experiences I had after I left home, that journey led me to trying to find this something else in different ways. I tried to find it in my career, working up the ladder really quickly. I did read a lot of books. I had some therapy at some point. I also learned a lot about different tools and methods over time, went to many workshops, but I always had temporary relief, nothing that would really stick, nothing that would stop me from still feeling the fear and the anger that I experienced when I was young. I even ran away from it as far as New Zealand, because as you possibly hear from my language, my original country is Germany. And at some point I moved to New Zealand, thinking that's the furthest away I can get from my father and I should be safe. Well, let me tell you, you're always taking everything with you until you confront it. And in New Zealand, I met someone who was teaching the two-point method. I went to the workshop. And after that workshop, I finally, for the first time, could feel the energy and the fear and everything that was attached to the memory of my father leaving physically my body. And that's when I knew I had to learn more about this method. So the method itself is ancient and comes from Hawaii. And it was used by the shaman hundreds and hundreds of years ago. And that method really finally turned my life, my way of thinking and everything around for the better.